Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you uh, how to get a Minecraft Pocket Edition PocketMine server and how to set it up. So first what we need to do is go to PocketMine.net right there and then click on Get PocketMine. Once you do that, if you have a Windows, click on the Windows installer. If you have a Linux, go to the Linux installer, and if you have a Mac, click here. Then just click right here where it says z.sh. Here's the Windows one though. Yeah. So then what you want to do is click on the installer and run it. Once you've done that, you should get something that says you should get this folder, and then open the folder and you should get something that's called start.cmd or whatever it is on your Mac or Linux. Then just run that. My bad. Run it. And then it will load the server. You won't have where it says these plugins. It will actually be generating the world. It will take a lot longer. But anyway, when it's finished, just stop it. And then click any key. Then you will have all these folders and files. Right here where it says worlds, you have your world folder. It can support multiple worlds, which is good. But if you want to like go from world to world, you have to have a plugin. I'm not sure what plugin it is, but yeah, just search for some. Anyway, you put your plugins in here. The plugins come in a .php file. Just put them in this folder, and then it will generate the other files that you need to like configure it and stuff like that. All I have is essentials and world editor. Yeah. So then we have all these other files here, but the most important one is server.properties. Okay. So right here, all these words of text here we have, and you can configure them to fit for your server. So the name, call it whatever. The description, again, call that whatever. The message of the day, by default, it's this. When you join the server, it'll say welcome, and then it'll display your username to this server. The server IP I wouldn't mess with unless you know absolutely what you're doing. Because I did that once, and then my server wouldn't start. Then we have the server port. Remember these 5 letters, 19132, for a later thing in the server. Then we have the server type, the memory limit, all this different stuff here. If you have any questions or concerns, then just drop a comment down below, and then I'll answer them. Yeah, then we have all these other files. If you know your username, or I'm not gonna get into that yet, but then you have, in order to make your server public so that your friends from far away can join, all you have to do is forward the port of your server and make the port 19132 instead of the default Minecraft 25565. If you don't know how to port forward, then just search up on Google like how to port forward Minecraft with whatever router you have, like Falcon, Linksys, Xfinity, etc. Yeah. So if you don't know where to get plugins at, just go to plugins.pocketmine.net, and then there will be these plugins here. Oops. Oh, there we go. So it will be these plugins here. Yeah. You can search through a lot of these plugins. This is where I got the world editor one. And if you don't know what else to do, then, if you don't know where else to get other plugins, just go into the PocketMine Forums. Now at the moment the forums are down. I'm not sure why, but they are. You can also search for more at the Minecraft forums. .net, minecraftforums.net slash, I don't know the thing right at the top of my head, but, yeah. I'll leave a link down in the description to it. Anyway, once you've done that, on Minecraft Pocket Edition, what you want to do is, right here, let me show you on my screen. It will be a little bit glitchy just because it's a weird program to show it, but believe me, it works. All I'm doing is just displaying my iPhone screen on my computer. Oops. Oh, okay, fine. But, okay, so let me get onto that and record it on my iPhone. Alright, I'm back. So, on your computer, all you want to do is just run your server, and then, once the server is ran, you should see it in your world on Wi-Fi. Now, this is only for you and the people who are connected to your Wi-Fi network. But if you wanted to, edit it so that other people can join it, just click on Edit, and then go to External. Call it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Your server address, for this, you're going to have to go to ipchicken.com and then have your friends enter your IP. On ipchicken.com, it'll basically tell you what your IP address is right on the site. Yeah, so just type that in, or have your friends type it in, I guess. And then on the port, leave that as whatever you had it in the server.properties and whatever you forwarded. So then you can just hit add server, and then your server will be here. So on the console, on the computer, it just said that I joined my IP address, logged in here. Yeah, so then I am in the server. Whoops. Anyway, I am in the server now, and basically, there we go. You're in. Yeah. So that's really it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, drop a like down below. Comment if you have any questions. And yeah. So that's it. Peace out, guys.